Hello friends, in this video, I will guide you through how to fix Sims 4 not launching or opening on your PC. First, close the Sims 4 game. Then, if you have the game on the EA app, verify the game files by clicking on three dots and selecting Verify Integrity of Game Files. If you have the game on Steam, launch Steam, right-click on Sims and select Properties, then Install Files and Verify Integrity of Game Files. If that does not work, right-click on the EA app or Steam and select Properties. Go to Compatibility and check Run this program as an administrator. If that does not work, go to your File Explorer, find Documents, Electronic Arts, Sims 4, and delete the local thumb cache. Now try to reopen the game. If that still does not work, you might have a broken mod or mods folder. So go to the mods folder, right-click and cut, then paste it on your desktop. Reopen the game and let it recreate the mods folder. Once it is open, go to the mods folder on your desktop and paste all the mods back into it.